What's up, everyone? In case if you are looking to buy Hostinger, then this is the right time to buy hosting from Hostinger. Why? Because I'm using it from the last 2 years, and I'm going to do a detailed audit. But in case if you make up a mind on buying hosting from Hostinger, make sure to click on the link in the description. Plus, use two of the coupon codes, which I'm also going to tell you in the video. Plus, I have written in the description along with a special discount link to get an awesome discount while buying a hosting from Hostinger. So for hosting, if you ask me why I opted for Hostinger, there were a few reasons. First of all, I looked around on the Trust Pilot on searching out their reviews regarding how good the Hostinger is. So I did a random reviews, and I found that like it's a very good company. I can see that although there are sometimes once in a while that there are negative reviews, but majority of the reviews were positive. And in case if there is a negative review, Hostinger team is very active in getting those issues sorted. So my experience so far with them was amazing. After reading the reviews, like I was very convinced to buy on hosting from Hostinger. And then there were few features which I personally like all of the plans have either the weekly or daily backups facility available, which is a very good addition. Then you can see that in these two plans you're getting increased performance, you are also getting dedicated IP, and you are getting free CDN in two of the plans, and you are getting free domain in all of the plans, so which is a very good add-on. I also have an option of WooCommerce in this plan, a business plan and cloud startup plan. And I also have a the thing which I like a lot was free automatic website migration in case if I'm coming from another hosting company. All have amazing WordPress features like WordPress acceleration, auto updates. But there was something which catch my eye, and that was like all of them have a no code website builder. So in case if anyone is a newbie and trying to build their website online, they provide a no code website builder, which is a very good add-on with 150 plus design and crafted templates. You're also getting e-commerce features, and you can accept payments with from your customers online with 20 plus payment methods. They also provide amazing security features, like although they provide DDoS protection, web application firewall, cloudflare protected name servers. But what convinced me the most was their malware scanner, which constantly scanned the website for any possible issues and errors. All of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. And if you see all the features, you can see the technical details as well. You are getting a lot of features. Then they provide data centers all around in the world, like in multiple countries. You can host your website in UK, USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, and New Zealand, which makes it a very convincing option to buy for me. They provide their own website, website builder, which I have told you about. And then they provide maximized websites. I believe that speed plays a huge role, and a second late is a second loss. So in if your hosting company does not work on improving your website speed, then you may need to change your company. And with Hostinger, they provide maximized website speed with their light speed web server technology, which is at least 3 times faster if you compare them with their competitors. Then if you scroll below, they have a 24 by 7 support with live chat. And all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. And then uh, I told you about the free migration as well. And then they provide you with their amazing control panel. I'm going to log in you into the control panel to show you the how great it is their each panel is. So I'm getting into their age panel. You can see over here that I still have to get my free domain. uh, I also have my business web hosting active over here. I can check my emails from over here. Let's say if I have to manage my uh, hosting, I just have to select the manage button, and I am redirected to their own age panel. Now with age panel, there are few things which I am very convinced, and I think that you may need to work on. Like they provide one click installation for WordPress. You can simply install WordPress over here with a button. I can see my performance score, I can see my daily backups, I can see everything over here. I can see my WordPress, I can have any issue sorted from over here. I can look around on the performance, security features, emails, domains, advanced features. I can manage almost everything from over here. Like if I have to create a, let's say, install a WordPress, I just have to move to the WordPress over here, and I can simply synchronize to my admin panel from a click of a button. I can see my database name. I can install another copy. Just select the install button, and I can write my name, my email ID, my password, the location, and database. And next is just within minutes of seconds I can install a WordPress copy. which is a very turning on feature for me with them. So that is why I'm using it. Performance is a very core reason I opted for HTML Hostinger. Now, in case if you're looking for Hostinger, make sure to click on the link in the description, which is like this, because you are going to get amazing deal if you click on my link, in case if you plan to buy Hostinger. So I'm also going to give you two of the coupon codes. Now do your research. Simply select hosting and select any other plan from over here, or you can select any plan. Now simply select the add to cart. You can even change your country, and let's say uh, you can opt for any country. I'm just giving you an example. Simply select the claim deal, add to cart with any of the plan you're gonna like. Once you select the add to cart, you will be redirected to another page. On here, over here, you are seeing the summary of what you are going to buy from Hostinger. Then choose your billing period. Hostinger offer also various billing periods, but 48 months is my recommendations, because that is an option where you are getting the most saving. Now, again, it's an option because I know that budget also plays a very crucial role. So my second best is for 24 months, but the 48 months is a bargain. Once you select your billing period, you can synchronize your account of Google or Facebook with the Hostinger to create a new account, or you can write your email ID over here as well. Then select your payment method. Hostinger offer various payment methods. Once you select your payment method, scroll below, select the have a coupon code and write this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you write it, you're going to see that the price got a further discount. There is another coupon code as well, which is with the name of HI10. You can also find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once you write it, you're going to see that the price got a further amazing discount. So in case if you're looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, then this is the right time. I have been using Hostinger from my last 3 years, first year premium plan, and from second year onwards I'm using the business plan, and my experience so far with all of the plans is very good, which is why I definitely recommend you to go with the Hostinger. So make sure to click on the link in the description, plus use two of the coupon codes which I have added in the description along with a special discount link to get an amazing discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.